New Gemini. Canvas update is wild. Today, I'm going to show you how Google just turned boring spreadsheets into real apps. This is brand new, this is huge, and it's stupidly easy to use. No coding, no designer, just you and a simple sentence. Stick around because I'm going to show you the exact prompts to use this for your own business. This could save you hours every single week. Let's get into it. So here's what just happened. Google added a new tool to Google Sheets. It's called Sheets Canvas, and it's powered by Gemini, which is Google's AI. Here's the simple way to think about it. Right now, spreadsheets are just rows and boxes. They hold your data, but they look boring. Nobody wants to stare at 500 rows of numbers all day. With Sheets Canvas, you type one sentence, and Gemini turns your spreadsheet into a real interactive app. Not a picture, not a screenshot, a real working tool. Think Kanban boards, think dashboards, think calendars, think heat maps, all built from your own data in seconds. And here's the crazy part. It's not just a pretty picture sitting on top of your data, it's connected to your data. So if you drag a card or change a status, your actual spreadsheet updates too, two-way, live, real time. So instead of this long, boring process, spreadsheet, then formulas, then charts, then some separate dashboard tool, then more maintenance, you just skip straight to the app. Spreadsheet in, app out, one prompt. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me show you why this matters for growing a business. Say you run a community like the AI Profit Boardroom and you're tracking new members in a spreadsheet. Company name, contact person, what stage they're at, and who owns that lead. That's normal. That's how most of us track things. But it's flat, it's boring, it's hard to see what's actually happening. Now you open Sheets Canvas and you type something like this. Turn this member pipeline into an interactive board. Group people by stage. Show their name, how they found us, and who is following up. Add a filter for stage and for owner. Gemini builds it for you. In seconds, you get a clean visual board. You can drag people from one stage to the next. You can filter it. You can see the whole pipeline at a glance. And when you move something, your spreadsheet in the background updates automatically. That's the real power here. You didn't build an app. You didn't hire a developer. You just talked to your spreadsheet and it built one for you. I want to show you exactly where to learn how to use tools like this properly, so you're not just watching this and forgetting it tomorrow. If you want to actually learn how to use tools like Gemini to save time and automate your business, that's exactly what we teach inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and automate the boring stuff with AI, so you can spend your time on the things that actually grow your business. If that sounds like you, go check the link in the description. Now here's a quick pause because I want you to actually think about your own business for a second. What spreadsheet do you have right now that's sitting there boring, unused, hard to read? That's the one you should try this on first. Okay, let's keep going because there's more to show you. Let's look at another way to use this. Say you're running a content calendar. You've got a list of videos, what platform they're going on, the status, when they publish, and who owns them. Normal spreadsheet stuff. Now you prompt Gemini like this. Turn this content calendar into a visual command center. Show upcoming content on a calendar, group by status. Make it easy to update what's published and what's not. Boom. Now instead of scrolling through rows, you've got a clean calendar view. You can see what's coming up this week. You can see what's late. You can update the status right there on the board. If you're a creator or you're running a content team for a business like the AI Profit Boardroom, this is a massive time saver. You stop guessing what's due. You just look at the board. Here's another one, project tracking. You've got a project name, an owner, a start date, a deadline, the status, and the priority. Normal, right? You prompt it like this. Turn this into a project dashboard. Show the timeline, the deadlines, the status, and the priority. Make it easy to scan at a glance. Now you've got a clean visual dashboard showing exactly what's overdue, what's on track, and who owns what. No more digging through 50 rows trying to find the one thing that's late. And here's something really cool. You don't have to get it right the first time. You can just keep talking to it. Say you build a dashboard and it looks a bit plain. You just say, make it more visual. Then you say, add a breakdown by team. Then you say, switch it to dark mode. Each time Gemini updates it. You're basically talking the app into existence, piece by piece. Let's do one more example because I think this is the one that will really click for you. Say you're tracking inventory or products or even just tools you use in your business. Rows and rows of items, quantities, and categories. Normal spreadsheet. Nobody wants to read that. You prompt Gemini like this. Turn this into a visual gallery grouped by category. Show the name, the quantity, and flag anything running low. Now, instead of scrolling through a giant list, you get cards you can actually scan in 2 seconds. You instantly see what's low, what's full, and what needs attention. That's the whole point of this tool. It takes information you already have, and it makes it something your brain can actually process quickly. Here's a question for you. How many spreadsheets do you have sitting in your Google Drive right now that you never open because they're just too boring or too messy to look at? Be honest, we all have them. This tool is basically built to fix that exact problem. And I want to point something out because it's easy to miss. This isn't Google saying, here's a fancier chart. This is Google saying, you don't need to learn a design tool, you don't need to learn a dashboard tool, and you don't need to hire someone to build this for you. You just need to know what you want and say it in plain English. That's the whole shift happening across AI tools right now. It's not about learning new software anymore. It's about learning how to ask for what you want. The people who get good at asking clearly are the ones who are going to save the most time this year. Now, I want to be straight with you because I always tell you the truth about these tools. This is still a newer feature, so there are some limits right now. Right now, it works in English. It's built for desktop, not the mobile app yet. It only works from one sheet tab at a time. So if your data is spread across 10 tabs, you'll need to bring it into one first. Very large sheets might not work with it yet either. And your file needs to be saved in Google Drive. So if you're working from an Excel file, you'll want to convert it into Google Sheets first for it to work properly. So it's not perfect yet, but it's new and it's already showing us where this is heading. And knowing what a tool can't do yet is just as important as knowing what it can do, because that's what stops you from wasting your time. And here's the bigger picture I want you to walk away with. For years, spreadsheets have basically looked the same. Rows, columns, boring grids. Then we added dashboards on top using separate tools, which took extra time and extra setup. Now we're moving into a new stage. You talk to your spreadsheet in plain English and it builds the interface for you. No extra tool, no extra setup. Just a sentence. That's a big shift. Your data and the way you look at your data are no longer stuck together. You can reshape how you see your information anytime you want just by asking. Let me give you a few more prompts you can test out yourself so you can go try this today. For a lead pipeline, try this. Turn this spreadsheet into an interactive board grouped by stage. Show the company, the contact, and the owner. For an event you're planning, try this. Turn this guest list into a seating planner grouped by table. Let me move guests around while keeping the data in sync. For a study or learning tracker, try this. Turn this list into a tracker grouped by subject. Show deadlines and progress and make anything overdue stand out. Try a few of these on your own spreadsheets this week. Start small. Pick one boring spreadsheet you already have and turn it into something you'd actually enjoy looking at. Where do you find this inside Google Sheets? Open a sheet and look for Create Canvas. You'll usually find it under the Gemini Tools area, under Insert, or in the Canvas option at the bottom of the screen. Now, before you go, I want to leave you with one thing to think about. This is just the first version of this tool. Right now, it builds boards, calendars, and dashboards from your data. But if this is where it's starting, imagine where it's going next. What do you think Google adds to this next? Drop your guess in the comments because Julian reads every single one. If you want the full process, the step-by-step guides, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and the description. You'll get all the notes from this video there, plus access to our community of 38,000 people who are using AI to grow their skills and their businesses every single day. And if you want to go further than just Sheets, Canvas, and actually learn how to use tools like Gemini to automate your business, save time, and get more customers, that's exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Come join us there too. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.